Excel text after function returns the text that occurs after a given substring or delimiter. In cases where multiple delimiters appear in the text, text after can return text after the particular occurrence of a delimiter. The text after function is only available in Excel for Microsoft 365. Important to note that the text after function is case sensitive by default. Text after will return an NA error if the delimiter is not found. The text after function has 6 arguments, but only the first 2 are required. The first argument is text, the text string to extract from. The second argument is delimiter, the character that delimits the text. The third argument is instance number, the instance of the delimiter in text. The default is 1. The fourth argument is match mode, case sensitivity. 0 means enabled, 1 means disabled. The default is 0. The fifth argument is match end. Treat the end of the text as a delimiter. 0 means disabled, and 1 means enabled. The default is 0. The last argument is if not found, value to return when no match is found. NA is the default. Let's have an example of extracting text after a space character. I want to extract the last name, which is after a space character. The first text argument is the reference to the cell with full name. The second delimiter argument is a space character in double quotes, and as a result, we get last names. Let's have the example of how to get text after delimiter. We want to get the second word, the job title, after the comma delimiter. The first text argument is the reference to the string. The second delimiter argument is comma delimiter in double quotes, and as a result, we get job titles. Let's have an example of how to extract text after the word. We want to get the department name, which stands after the word department. The first text argument is the reference to the department column. For the second argument, we will specify the department word as the delimiter. The delimiter includes a space after the word, and we get the department names. Let's have an example of how to return text after the particular occurrence of a delimiter. I want to extract the department name, which is after the second comma. The first text argument is the reference to the string. The second delimiter argument is comma delimiter in double quotes. In this example, we will make use of the instance number parameter. It is 2, as we want to get the text after the second comma. As you can see, the text after function can be very useful in working with text strings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.